Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Tēnā koe Lou. Right, we're going to do Tutira Mai, okay? And you guys already know this song, but you know what? There's something that I want to make sure that you know how to sing properly. All right, when you get down here, because I hear people going, kia katatahi, kia katahira, all right? It's not. So look there. Can everyone say kia tapa? Kia tapa. Yes. Kia tapatahi. Then kia kotahira. All right, so it's different from kia katakatahi, kia kotahira. All right, it's kia tapatahi, kia kotahira, tato tato e. Do you know what? We were brought up with this song, and we're taught by Ngāti Porou people, and we were always brought up with kia tapatahi. So when it came across that people were singing it wrong and this is the right way to sing it, well, we were already singing it the right way. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm going to play it first and then I'll show you the actions that I do, but you probably do different actions and that's okay, but I'll show you my way as well. Okay, here we go. Tutira mai toru wha, tutira mai ngā iwi au e, tato tato e. Tutira mai ngā iwi au e, tato tato e. Whaia, whaia te maramatanga me te aroha. He ngā iwi kia tapatahi, kia kotahira, tato tato e, tato tato, puritia kia mo, kisio e. I'll teach you this little bit, all right? The bottom part, all right? So can everyone say puritia, kia mo, ks, hioehi, hioehi. All right, now I'm going to do the actions for you, all right? So this is the way I do it. So, you know, you might have your own actions at your kindy, and that's fine, but this is the way I do it, all right? So we start off. Hope, put your hands on your hips, all right? Remember, the boys, wave at me, ngā tama, the boys, you put your hands on your hips like this. The hands go on the hips like that. And ngā kōtero, the girls, put your thumbs out. Your thumbs go into your hips like that. And when we say kiraro, you go down. Hope, you go up onto your hips, all right? So we go. Tutira mai toru wha. Tutira mai ngā iwi au e, tato tato e. Tutira mai ngā iwi au e, tato tato e. Whaia, whaia te maramatanga me te aroha e ngā iwi. 2 claps. Kia tapatahi, kia kotahira, tato tato e. Then you put your hands on your hips and you step forward with your right foot. Tato, then step back again. Tato e, puriti kia mo. Then you go ksio hi. Ka kite anō.